Hey guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? So today, by the title of this video, you already know, I'm going to be doing my makeup using the products that we got in the Boxycharm for February. So let's just get into it. The first item we got is a moisturizer. This is called the Cocoa Cabana Cream from Sol de Janeiro. I believe that's how you say it. I'm not exactly sure if that is how you say it, but this smells so freaking bomb. This is supposed to be really nice and hydrating. Now, I have combination skin, so like my skin is like oily but yet dry. Like I don't have any flakiness or anything like that in my skin, but I don't know. It's combination skin, that's the issue. I feel like the smell is really nice in the packaging, but once you put it on your skin, it's not so good. I don't know what's going on, but I'm feeling a little bit like hot around like here and here. That's never happened to me before with a moisturizer, so I hope I'm not allergic to anything from here. But moving on. This baby only has 2.5 ounces and it retails for $20. Next up, we have a primer. Now this is the No Pore Blum Primer. It's a smooth and pore covering top secret for perfect makeup. Now this is 1 fluid ounce and it retails for $18. You can find this in Sephora and online. It's good for all skin tones, normal, oily combination, well, all skin in general. And what it is, a light silky primer that blurs the look of pores and wrinkles while enhancing the wear of makeup. Now it also says that it is cruelty-free, vegan, and hypoallergenic, which is freaking beautiful. But let's go ahead and put this on. I don't think the camera's gonna really capture, but like if you guys notice, I don't know why it's not showing, but I have big pores, so anything that says it's going to eliminate my pores, I'm all about it. So let's see if this baby is true. It's very kind of like runny. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's good. Let's see. It's supposed to leave like a velvety finish too. It goes on very well. I'm gonna do one more pump because I have a big face and I want to make sure that like I have primer like all over my face. So I'm looking at myself right now and I don't see like a huge difference at all, or not really anything of a difference. I don't know if it's just because I barely put it on or what, but I don't see much. I need to put like maybe another layer because I don't know if you guys are, what is it, from Too Faced or something, from Benefit. I think it's from Benefit. They have the poreless primer. Now that one's a little bit thicker and I do see that it kind of blurs out my pores, but with this one I'm not really seeing anything. Am I doing it wrong? Am I supposed to just dab it on? Like, what's good? But let's see if that made a difference. Not really. I don't really see a difference at all. Maybe once I put the foundation on and stuff, like, I'll notice it. But as of right now, like, I mean, I still see them. I don't notice them to be anything, like, visible or so. I mean, blurred out or so. I'm going to be using a beauty blender to put on my foundation. And the foundation I'm using today is the Too Faced Born This Way. This is in the color Almond. And now this, I know it's not my shade. If you haven't watched my foundation video, what are you waiting for? I'm going to put it down below as well. Is in the little somewhere around here. So check that out. But yeah, I'm going to be using this. And let's see if I can see any difference with the primer once I have my foundation on. I do feel like the primer actually did its job. My pores here, I mean, they're there, but like they're more smoothed out, so you can't really see like every little hole like full of foundation or so. But actually it looks pretty good. I don't know if you guys can kind of maybe see it just a little bit. Now I'm trying to see what is it going to look like once I layer like my concealer and I put powder on. So let me do that and I'll be right back. So I already went ahead and I put powder all over my face and honestly it's looking good. My pores look very like nice and just smooth, a little blurred out, you can say. So far, so good. So moving on with the eyes, I already went ahead and I primed my eyes. I used the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre to do so. And what we got in Boxycharm is this nude stick in the color Copper Foil. So this is a really cute just eyeshadow crayon thing. I want to just kind of do like an all over brown kind of eye with that color, but first I want to do just kind of like a base, you can say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using this Morphe a JH34 brush and using the Laura Lee Nude Patootie palette. I'm going to grab the color Reveal, which looks like this here. So I'm going to use Reveal and I'm going to put that all over the eyes. It doesn't have to be perfect, just all over. I want to make this a little bit more smoky, so I'm going to grab the color Nakey Nakey, which is a very deep brown. And I'm going to put that more focused on the outer part of the eye, since I want more of the smokiness to be focused more this way. So just put that on the outer corner of the eye. I'm going to go ahead and use the nude stick, and I'm just going to be applying that on the eyelid where I don't have the darkness, which is more in the inner part, going towards the outer part. Well, this is a very pretty color. You could use a brush, or you can even use your fingers to like tap this to kind of blend it in a little bit better. It's kind of hard when you have like nails. I'm using the JH41 brush. I'm just gonna buff that on the edges. Now to blend all of this together, I'm just going to be using again the JH34 and whatever's left in that brush with that brown. I'm just blending and marrying these two colors together. To finish the look, I'm just going to smoke out the lower lashes, and that is with Nakey Nakey. Making this look smoky but not too smoky, because then you can wear this without lashes. And if you overdo it and you make it very smoky, then and you're not blessed with like these beautiful luscious lashes, then you will have to go ahead and do lashes. So I did my eyebrows off of camera. That's fine. They're probably not even. It's good. Let's move on. But this actually retails for $24. I forgot to mention that. But moving on, I'm going to be using this, which is the Pretty Vulgar. Now the packaging is so cute. This is a bronzer. Look at how cute this packaging is. It is to die for. Now this retails for $32. That is pretty high up there. And this is what the bronzer looks like. It looks like your basic like all bronzer. Let's see how it goes on my skin. I'm using the JH02. Now this has been like my favorite roll. There's a lot of like fallout as soon as I like just touched it. It like, oh my gosh, it's everywhere. Ooh, shoot. That is pigmented. I've just had trouble with like some bronzers, like you really have to like dig in to be able to get some color, and well, with this one it doesn't look like I have to do that, so now I have to really blend all of this in. I've always loved to like bronze up my skin, and people always give me shiz for it, but it's like, look honey boo boo, if you're not wearing it, then don't worry about it. This is what I like and this is what I like, okay? I think this bronzer actually looks really, really good. I mean, it definitely does what I wanted to do. And I feel like it's not too like orangey, too red. It's not too much cool tone. It's like pretty good. So far so good. So we're almost done. All we need to do is mascara. So they went ahead and they gave us the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now this retails for $24. I'll be lying if I said this was my first time using this, but I remember Lucy gave me this like maybe 2 years ago or 3 or so, and then I don't know where I got it again. I can't remember, but I think this might be the first time that they do it in a Boxycharm. But I've never really been happy with this mascara, because all the times that I've gotten it, it's been like super flaky and like old, but this one actually seems to be doing good. So well, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below. Let me know. Do you guys have Boxycharm? What was your favorite item of this Boxycharm? Honestly, I don't know. It's kind of a hard one. But I think that I'm going to say the bronzer. I think the bronzer is pretty cool and pretty new. I believe in December when we had that Boxy Luxe, I already received a moisturizer. So that's only been 2 months and I got another moisturizer. So I haven't finished the other one. Now I have this one. So I feel like that's kind of like, maybe you should gave something else, but that's just me though. So but yeah, anyways, I'm so happy with everything that I got. It's all good in the neighborhood. But if you guys are wanting to follow me on Instagram or so, I'll go ahead and I'll put it down below, as well up here, somewhere around here. You guys are more than welcome to follow me there. I post little previews of what I'm filming here and there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.